श्रद्धेय सदाशिवानंद जी महाराज, श्रद्धेय मित्रानंद जी महाराज, अध्यक्षता कर रहे सम्माननीय श्रीयुत जगन्नाथ जी पहाड़ी, चेयरमैन ऑफ द चिन्मया मिशन ब्रह्मपुर एंड गंजाम डिस्ट्रिक्ट, आदरणीय श्री जगन्नाथ जी पहाड़ी and his fraternity, kindly accept my salutations to your function. I have been asked to speak a few words to the teachers who are working as a mission in different schools, colleges and the universities. I have been learning that a Shikshak is that imparts instructions, informations subjected to only material energies, material nature, and therefore the students learning from that places by a teacher, by a Shikshak, is confined to, is subjected to what is my takeaway, what about me. The world becomes too much with them, and getting and spending, well, they will waste their powers. That is the be all and end all of their life. And as far as Acharya is concerned, he knows the science of the transcendence, and he knows and he understands and he sets examples, preaches by his conduct. Namely, you can say Gopabandhu ji, Subhash Chandra Bose, Rashtrapita Mahatma Gandhi, Abraham Lincoln, Nelson Mandela, and so many other people who knew the science of the transcendence, the Lord of Lords, Lord Prabhu Jagannatha, and the people would try to follow them. That is Acharya. Achar se, conduct se. And third one is the Guru. Well, he understands that matter does not exist. This universe is built on the existence of delight. Existence is nothing else but the present moment. Well, that is nothing else but the consciousness. Matter is derived from consciousness. Therefore, a guru understands and knows that this total world is nothing else but consciousness. This universe is built on the existence of delight. Namely, a few, Ramakrishna Paramahansa and Vivekananda, say, M. महर्षि रमन से समर्थ रामदास से बुद्धा, महावीरा, कबीरा, जयदेव जी, and so many others, and at the last and at present I can say it is Lord Krishna. Lord Krishna, at the time of Mahabharata, in the battlefield, when Arjuna, the greatest technocrat of that times, who knows every science of the earth, then he is frustrated, confused, loses his composure, and doesn't know what to do and what not to do. And he speaks to Krishna, Karpanya dosho apohat sabhave, prachani tvam dharam sammudha cheta, yat shreya syat nishchitam bruhi tatme, shishyateham shadhimam tvam prapannam. I surrender unto you. You instruct me. I am failing to understand what is to be done and what is not to be done. Krishna says, you are my dear friend, very, very dear friend to me. Besides that, you are my devotee, you are my disciple, you are my relative, but ultimately you are my dear friend. Therefore, I will declare you the most confidential knowledge to you. मोस्ट कॉन्फिडेंशियल नॉलेज, गुह्यतम ज्ञान से जो रूबरू कराए वो गुरु है. गुह्यतम ज्ञान से रूबरू साक्षात्कार कराए वो गुरु है. सो दैट इज व्हाट ए गुरु इज. गुरु इज one that he understands that every student before him is nothing else than a very dear friend of his. And at the time he rebukes also sometimes, and he says to Arjuna, don't yield to unmanliness. Don't give it to greed, impotence, you see. Don't be chicken-hearted. Don't lose your heart. So get up and perform your prescribed duties. You see, that is what is the need of the hour. Isliye Lord Krishna speaks to him the most confidential knowledge, and Lord Krishna says, Lord Krishna speaks to Arjuna that you are a soul in a body, you are a divinity on earth, you are the divine light within, you are the sustainer of eternal values. Indriyani prani ahu, indriyabhya param manah, manasuta para buddheyo, buddhe para tastu saha. Senses are greater than the dull matter, mind is greater than the senses, intelligence is much higher than the mind itself, and even much higher than the intelligence is the soul. Therefore, you are a soul in a body, not a body with a soul as the West believes in. Therefore, Lord Krishna says that you are to perform your prescribed duties as I am performing my prescribed duties. Lord Krishna says, सब धर्म का पालन करिए. Performing prescribed duties, perfection. Perfection is nothing else but the truth, the God, the Almighty, the Divine. That is what Lord Krishna says. सब धर्म का पालन करें. सहजम कर्म कांतेय सदोषम अपि न त्यजेत. सर्वरंभा हि दोषेण धूमेन अग्निर अवृत. Even fire is also caught by smoke. You must do your duty, though it is fraught with certain fault, hardly matters, but you shall have to perform your duties. That is what the Guhyatam Gyan is. And for that Krishna says that you can adopt Karam Yajna, you can adopt Gyan Yajna, you can adopt Bhakti Yajna. Karam Yajna is nothing else but seeing action as inaction. Karmani akaram chahiye pashye, akarmani chahe karmye, sa buddhiman manushyesu saha yuktah kritasan karam krit. That is what Lord Krishna says. That is Karam Yaj. Renouncing, abandoning, giving up, relinquishing the fruits of the activities, surrendering all the fruits of the activities at the altar of the feet of Lord Krishna. That is what Karam Yaj is. And then he says that you can adopt Gyan Yajna also. See me in every being and every being in me. Vibhaktam sarva bhuteshu vibhaktam mai cha sthitakam. Maya tattam idam sarvam jagat avyakt murtina matasthani sarva bhutani nacham teshu avasthita. One undivided spiritual nature, that is me, is being seen divided into innumerable forms, and one who is equiposed to every living entity, one who is non-dualistic, one who is even-minded, well, that he attains me, he comes to me. Tishthantam Parameshwaram sama sarveshu bhuteshu tishthantam Parameshwaram. That is what Lord Krishna speaks. And as far as Bhakti Yaj is concerned, he says that you are an atomic particle of mind. You are a fragmental part of mind. So, you don't exist. You are a fragmental part of mind. Brahmasmi, if you exist only in the service of the divine. Sarva Bhut Hiterata Vaishnav Janato Tena Hi Kahiye Pir Parai Jane Re. Mashucha, you exist only for that, wiping the tears of everybody, gladdening the heart of the saddened one. That is Bhakti Yajna. So you can adopt any of the things and perform your prescribed duties. That is what Lord Krishna says. And in the end, the last verse of the 18th chapter in Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna speaks to Arjuna, Yatra Yogeshwara Krishna, Yatra Partha Dhanudhara. Well, there is the Lord, master of mysticism, and the most great technocrat, you see. There all the opulences lies, victory lies, extraordinary power lies, morality lies, everything, every opulence, सब प्रकार की विभूतियाँ वहाँ पर आकर ठहर जाती हैं, वहाँ पर आकर निवास करती हैं, जहाँ दोनों चीजें रहती हैं. Therefore, as far as a teacher is concerned, Lord Krishna says, I will speak to you in full detail. What is Gyan? What is Vigyan? Gyanam te aham se Vigyanamidi Vakshyami Asheshatah. Bhumirapo anelo vayu kham manabuddhi revcha. Ahankari tiyam me bhinna prakriti ashtadha. Ether, earth, air, water, fire. Mind, intelligence, and false ego, these 8 comprise my material energies, you say. And there is one more energy of mind, that is apra, iyam iti tvanyam prakritim vidhi nepram, that is spiritual nature, spiritual energy, that is exploiting the resources of the material energies. All the created beings in this universe derive their resources either from material or from spiritual. So both the things are very essential. That is what a teacher speaks to Arjuna, who is frustrated, who is desperate, who is distressed, though he is very much disciplined. He knows the very depth of the things. He is very dynamic, but anyway, he loses what he should have gained, and ultimately Arjuna says, Nashta moha smriti labdha taprasadat mayachut sthito asmi gat sandeha karishaye vachananta. Now, Krishna, my doubts are dispelled. I regain my memory that I am not a body, and therefore I will abide by your instructions. That is what the duty of a teacher is, that one should make the students understand that he is a soul in a body and he can do whatever he likes. The only thing is this, that he should always remember, meditate, contemplate, surrender completely to the consciousness within. स्वयं को स्वयं का जानने का प्रयास करे. टीचर का ड्यूटी है कि बच्चे को मी टू मी उसका स्वयं को स्वयं से परिचित करा दे. अलेक्जेंड्रा पोप सेज द प्रॉपर स्टडी ऑफ मैनकाइंड इज मैन. स्वयं को स्वयं से जानने का प्रयास जो कराता है वो टीचर कहलाता है. इसलिए मुझको लगता है कि जो टीचर्स का विषय है और टीचर्स पर जो बोलने के लिए मुझे आपने आदेश दिया है, उसके नाते जो मैं समझता हूँ कि शिक्षक, आचार्य और गुरु, इन तीनों में अंतर है. एंड द फर्स्ट स्टूडेंट of this universe Brahmand, you can say, on this earth, you can say, this tiny speck of cosmos, you can say, was the first disciple was Arjuna, and the first teacher was Lord Krishna, who gave him the full knowledge, phenomenal knowledge, numinous knowledge, लौकिक भी और अलौकिक भी, थियोलॉजी भी, टेक्नोलॉजी भी, दोनों चीज़ों का ज्ञान इस प्रकार से देना ही मुझे लगता है आज के युग में टीचर का कर्तव्य है. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. प्रणाम. वंदे उत्कल जननी भारत माता की जय.